Today is January 31st and my Seestar S30 Pro has finally arrived. It actually arrived yesterday in my locker and I think I'm one of the first non-sponsored users to get my hands on this Seestar S30 Pro. I ordered it just a couple of hours after the pre-orders opened and now it's already here. Unfortunately, this weekend the weather is terrible. Just now I can see the sun, but for now I can show it to you and let's start with the unboxing. First impact, you could think, oh no, they sent me an S30 base model because there's not any sign of the S30 Pro, you can only see S30. Here you have some good images, that's amazing, look at this beauty, and the Seestar logo. Here other images, and finally behind here you can see Seestar S30 Pro. So let's take a breath. Yeah, it's a real Seestar S30 Pro inside here. Let's open it up, explore the incredible. Okay. Ooh, look at these stickers. Nice and funny. Nice. Very, very nice, guys. Good job, ZW. And here we have our Seestar box. Okay, exactly same case of the Seestar S30 is the same, identical. Finally, my hands on this Seestar S30 Pro. Let's see it. Oh, that's beautiful. That's exactly the same as the Seestar S30, unless for the Pro sign here. That's okay, that's okay. Look at this beauty. Okay, guys, the original tripod. First of all, I want to use it in AZ mode and not in equatorial mode, because with the latest firmware updates, many of you also write to me that with the latest firmware update, the polar alignment of the AQ mod with the Seestar is like fucked up. For real, guys, you will lose half of the frames you shoot. You like also with 20 seconds of exposures in 1 hour, I'm only able to get like 30 minutes of actual exposures with saved frames. So terrible, terrible. ZWO, please do something with the polar alignment of the Seestar S30. Improve it, do something, because these telescopes are amazing, but the software has to be perfect or nearly perfect. I know you can also use it with Nina, but you know, smart telescopes are done for simplicity, so it's better to have everything into your phone, into the app, the Seestar app. So I hope with the next firmware update they will solve this problem. It's a really, really annoying problem and a big problem, of course. Let's see what else is included in the box. We have here the cable for charging. Okay, we have this one, I don't know in English how it's called, for the bag, for the transporting bag. I'm not interested in these accessories, they will remain here. After that we have some manuals. That's okay. And the new solar filter. Nice! It's like carbon look. That's okay. I think I will go outside and look at the sun. It's very different compared to the original S30 filter, because now it includes also the wide angle camera. Nice. Now obviously I'm not interested in these filters. Or am I? Because now it's sunny and I could shot some solar photos. Why not? Why not? First of all, we have to turn the S30 Pro on. Guys, thank you for all the people that has subscribed to my channel. We are more than 500. That's amazing. Thank you, guys. Now, let's going to turn the telescope on. Battery 0. Are you... Ah, I can't believe it. 0 battery? For real? ZWO, we have to talk about it. Okay, let's charge it. So guys, the telescope and the bag are exactly the same between the S30 and S30 Pro. I'm now are going to take my S30 base model and compare it to the Seestar S30 Pro. Come with me, guys. Here we are, Seestar S30 base model and Seestar S30 Pro over here. Nice. Yeah, I think first of all I'm going to compare those two. It's like a no-sense comparison because they are way different than you think, guys. The different sensor, this different field of view. The app is the same. I want to see if I have the same problem with the polar alignment. I think yes. And let's see what happens. For now, I want to show you weather condition. By now you can see, yeah, it's cloudy. So yeah, I think I am one of the first person to have my hands on it. And I have to say one last thing. I pre-ordered two of Seestar S30 Pro, but like with a week of difference in my order. So I will have the second one, I think in a week, maybe 2 weeks. But I want to say that in Italy, I'm speaking for the Italians, ok ragazzi, parlo per voi italiani. I paid 490 or 80 euros for the Seestar, and to import it in Italy I paid 150 euros more. So in total I pay for my Seestar S30 Pro 680 euros more or less. Okay, that's okay, because I think it will be amazing and I just want to use it. Please someone blow away the cloud. I have to use it. Yeah guys, that was the unboxing. As always, thanks for watching. Clear skies, and I'll let you updated. I'm very happy, guys.